Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Get Free TikTok Coins. So, let's dive right in. First, ensure your TikTok account is not set to private. To check this, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu at the bottom. Now, tap on Privacy. If the Private Account option is toggled on, switch it off. Now, open your preferred browser. In the search bar, type applibrary.org and press the search icon. This will take you to the App Library site. In the search bar on the site, type TikTok. Look for the TikTok Coins Adder application at the bottom and tap on it to download. The download process may take some time. Once completed, a new screen with offers for device verification will appear. Complete any 3 free offers from the list to finish the verification process. After completing the offers, the TikTok Coins Adder will automatically add coins to your TikTok account. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.